It's Brian from Northern Power and Safety, and here I am burning the midnight oil to bring new features to people like you. Now, I'm interested today in getting your feedback on a new feature that we're toying with, and it's called paging. If you're old enough to remember how pagers worked, they were pretty cool. But of course, the new paging and paging of the 21st century is actually SMS, short message system, or text messaging. So that's what this system is going to be using. So let's take a look and see how we plan to develop it so far. You will see a send page link here, and we have a couple of different sections here. The first section is just primarily to test that the SMS connection is working. We probably will be taking that away, but there it is. The send page really is the meat and potatoes of this. We do have a couple of things I want to highlight to you. I'm very interested in finding your feedback to make sure that this is in line, what you think would be useful in your everyday. I know standard lockout tags do not give you the ability to page people. So you've never had this ability before, so I want you to expand your horizon, think outside the box. Could this be useful to you? If it isn't, let me know. You are not going to hurt my feelings. We just won't spend more time on developing it for you. Okay, so let's take a look. We have the ability right now, we're thinking, to send pages to individual tag owners or work scopes. There are use cases for each of these, I'm sure you can think of. But if we have selected the single tag owner, what you're going to find is a list of all the tags that the current logged in user has. So the onboarded tags that the current supervisor user that's logged in has. So you'd be able to send a text message to Ryan Friedman. And likewise, you can select a work scope, and then this is going to be, so the first one was a single text. This would be a possible mass text. As you can see, all of the work scopes that you have in your supervisor account via onboard tags will be here. There are some like control with one tag in there that you could just as easily do a single person. If you have hundreds of workers, maybe it make more sense for you to choose a work scope instead of having to find that tag. But let's take a look and say electrical. We've got 4 tags in there. So when you send a message, when you send a page, all 4 people simultaneously will get that text message. Now, what do we send? So right now we have 2 different concepts. We have the concept of templates, and we've created 3 templates to begin with. If you have any more ideas for different templates or maybe changes in verbiage of some of these templates, we're open for it. Please comment, let us know. So we have abandoned lotto, and we can see below that under the custom message, this is the message it's going to send. Your lotto is left. Think somebody left for the day. They're locked on. Maybe at the end of the shift, the policy and rule is that everybody unlocks. This is the case. Maybe they forgot. It's happened. I've heard stories about it happening. Has it happened to you? Let me know your story. So the second one is contact safety supervisor. Pretty much, please contact safety supervisor ASAP. Last is return to work. Please return to work as soon as possible. Right now, for a custom message, you can actually change these. You can use these templates as bases and change anything you want. Maybe add your contact number, shop's contact number, whatever you think. Or you can type your own message in there. We're not sure whether we want to go with only templates or have the ability for the free flowing custom message in there. Let us know what you think. And once you've decided on the message, whether a template or your own, you would click send page. In this case, it would be sent to all 4 workers who have the electrical work scope. Now, because SMS and text messaging has stringent network requirements and rules for spam, all of the new onboarded lockout tags would have at the very bottom, which we'll show here, we would show the opt-in for text messaging. We're going to require that if we push this out so that you never have to wonder or worry that one of your workers will not have the text message. You want to make sure that it gets sent to everybody if you need to send it out. This would be an emergency thing. You could always use the one-touch dial to call the worker. This is just another avenue. Again, let us know what you think. Maybe it's covered by the calling maybe you feel like text messaging is a thing you want to you would like to see in there, let us know. Definitely going to help. So once you do that, you'll click the send page and it will send all of those out to you. Now be sure to follow us on YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn. All of the testing that we're doing, all the new features we're coming out with, we're definitely letting you all know there. We definitely love your feedback. A lot of the awesome features that are in the product right now come directly from the field, people saying, it would be really neat if you could. And after some consideration, some time, some development, it's there in the product. So please engage with us. Please let us know what you think. We're definitely open ears. We have been in shops, but we're not always in shops. So we want to know what's going to keep you safe out there. So until you hear from us again, please stay safe out there, keep engaged, and make sure you check out lockout IDs instead of your traditional lockout tags. Bye for now.